Okay, let's understand what is 10,000, or say till now you would have seen a 4-digit number, but it's important to know 10,000 to understand the 5-digit numbers. If you add 1 to 9, 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. We all know that. 10 is the smallest 2-digit number. It's the smallest 2-digit number, right? Then what is the largest 2-digit number? Of course, 99 is largest 2-digit number. Okay, now what if I add 1 in 99? That is, if I add 1 in the largest 2-digit number, then I'll get 100. It's clear, okay? And this 100 is smallest 3-digit number. Then what's the largest 3-digit number? Of course, 999. This is the largest 3-digit number. I hope you all know this, that 999. I'm not going deep into explaining what is 999. That will do in some other video. So 100 is the smallest 3-digit, 999 is the largest 3-digit. What if I add 1 to 999? 9999. This will be 1000. So if I add 1 to the largest 3-digit, I get 1000, and 1000 is the smallest 4-digit number. It's the smallest 4-digit number. Then what is the largest 4-digit number? That is 9, 9, 9 and 9. This is largest 4-digit number. Now what if I add 1 to this largest 4-digit number? That is 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9 and 9 plus 1 will be equal to 10,000. If you want to say it how, then look here. It's 9, 9, 9 and 9. If I add 1 into this will be 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. So I'll write 0 here. 1 will get carried over here. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. I'll write 0 here. 1 will get carried over to here. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. I'll write 0 here. 1 gets carried over to here. Then 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. I'll write it 10. So this is 10,000. And this is the smallest 5-digit number. This is the smallest 5-digit number. I'll leave rest of it, that largest, what's the largest 5-digit number and all. My only purpose was to explain you that's what is 10,000. When you add 1 to 9, we get 10. When you add 1 to 99, you get 100. When you add 1 to 999, you get 1000. And when you add 1 to 9,999, you get 10,000. Okay, so maybe till now you would have seen only 4-digit number. Here it was a way to explain you what's a 5-digit number, and 10,000 is the smallest 5-digit number. The numbers which we use in our day-to-day life or in our daily life are based on decimal number system. I'm not going too deep into it, but just briefly that what exactly is decimal number system. Suppose I take a number 4, 5, 3, 2 and 0. Suppose this is the number. This number has been written in the form of decimal number system. In this number, each digit is assigned to a place, and each place of the number has some value. What's the meaning of place and what's the meaning of value? Let's see that. So in a decimal number system, the first place is the units place or the ones place. So ones place. Each place has some value, and therefore the ones place has a value of 1. It has a value of 1, and therefore it is ones place. The next place, that is, we start from the right and move towards the left. That's the way, from the right towards the left. So this was a ones place. The next place has a value of 10 multiplied by the value of the previous one, that is this value of the previous one. It is 1, and it has a value of 10. Therefore it becomes tens place. Since it has a value of 10, therefore its name is tens place. The next place has a value of 10 multiplied by the value of the previous place, that is this one. It's 10 multiplied by 10. This becomes 100, and therefore it is hundreds place. Therefore it is hundreds place. The next place has a value 10 multiplied by the value of the previous place, that is 100. It becomes 1000. So this is thousands place. The next place has a value of 10 multiplied by the value of the previous place, that is 1000. This becomes 10,000, and therefore it is 10,000s place. Therefore this is 10,000s place. So in this example, if I have to assign the place, if I have to write each digit on their place, then 0 will come at the units place, 2 will come at the tens place, 3 will come at the hundreds place, 5 will come at the thousands place, and 4 will come at the 10,000s place. Now each digit has been placed at its place. Okay, 0, 2, 3, 5 and 4. In the decimal number system, we group the places all together. Like After 10,000, there will be lakh. Okay, again this chain will go on, but I will not go deep into that, but the process would be similar. After 10,000, it will be 10 multiplied by 10,000, that will come lakh, 1 lakh. So therefore the place will be lakhs. So each successive place is 10, has a value 10 multiplied by the value of the previous one. Now we group it all together. We group the places all together. Like here it was ones, tens, hundreds. We group them together. Then the thousands one will be grouped together. Then if there will be lakh and 10 lakh, they will be grouped together, and so on. Okay. Why this grouping is important? Because sometimes you would have seen that numbers are written in this form. 45, they will put comma and then write 320. The concept, the comma is there because of this concept, that they group it. Ones, tens and 100 are grouped together. Thousands and 10,000s one, like 1,000 and 10,000 will be grouped together. So 1,000 and 10,000 grouped together. If there would have been some other values, some other digits, which would have the place of lakhs and 10 lakh, they would be grouped together. Now, why it is important? Why it is important to group them together? Since each place has some value, therefore we can read the number on that basis if we group them together. So how to read the number and how to expand them, we'll see in the next video. And I hope that the concept of the place in decimal number system is clear to you. Each digit has a place assigned to it, and each place has some value assigned to it. The value of ones place is 1, the value of tens place is 10, the value of hundreds place is 100, and so on. Name any number only when we know how to expand it. That is, we should know the number expansion. So since the concept of, I hope that the concept of place of a number and the value of a place is clear now, therefore we can understand it very easily. Let me take an example. I'll start with an example of say I have a number, say 9. This is a number having a single digit. And since it has only one digit, therefore it means that it has only a units place. It has only a ones place in this number. So I'll write down all the places first. Ones here, tens here, hundreds here, thousands here, and 10,000 here. Its value is 1, its value is 10, its value 10 multiplied by 10 is equal to 100. 10 multiplied by 100 is equal to 1000, and 10 multiplied by 1000 is equal to 10,000. Now if we have only this digit or this number of a single digit, we'll put it here. 9. I'll do it now. I'm doing its expansion of the number. So put it at its place, that is ones place, 9, and therefore since it is at the ones place, we will multiply it by the value of the place, that is 1. Is it clear? Therefore it becomes 9. 9 multiplied by 1 is equal to 9. Suppose we have a number 82. So it is 2-digit number having 2 place, that is units place, and a tens place. This 2 will come at the ones place, will multiply it by its value of the place. Remember, this is the number expansion. I'm telling you how to expand the number. This is 88, sorry, this is 8, this is at the tens place, this will come at the tens place, will multiply it by the value of the place, and therefore it becomes 8 multiplied by 10 is 80, then plus 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2. This give you 82. Okay, let me take one more example. This is 539. So 5, 3 and 9. Here we have 3 digits. This number is made up of 3 digits. That means it will have 3 place. 9 is at the units place, so write it here, I mean just below it, at the ones place. Just want to explain you. So this will come here, 9 multiplied by the value of the place. Then at the tens place, will come 3 multiplied by its value. Then at hundreds place will come 5 multiplied by the value of the place. This becomes 5 multiplied by 100 is 500 plus 3 multiplied by 10 is 30 plus 9 multiplied by 1 is 9. Therefore, how will you read this number? We'll read it 539. You read this number like this, 539. And as I told you in the previous video that we always group these together, and then these thousands one together, and if we have lakh, then lakhs together, and then we have, if we have crores, then crores together. It goes on like from 1,000 to lakhs, then lakhs to crores. Now, and why it is important? Because sometimes you would have seen that few numbers are separated by comma, and why it is so, I'll just explain shortly. So you will read this 539, hundreds place, tens place and ones place. Suppose you have, say, 6, 5, 4 and 3. 6, 5, 4, 3. How will you expand this number, and then how will you read this number, or what would be the name of this number? So 3 is at the units place, we'll write 3 here multiplied by its value. 4 here multiplied by its value. 5 here multiplied by its value. 6 here multiplied by its value. This will give you 6,000 plus 500 plus 40 plus 3. Now, this, you will read this number as 6,000. This is 6,543. 6,000. Why? Because it was here 500 540, right here 3. Okay, 6,543. Now, suppose you have the number 7, 3, 2, 1 and 8. This time we have 5 digits number. So, at the ones place will be 8 multiplied by its value. At the tens place will be 1 multiplied by its value. At the hundreds place will be 2 multiplied by its value. At the thousands place will be 3 multiplied by its value. At the 10,000 will be 7 multiplied by its value, that is 10,000, which is equal to 7 into 10,000 is 70,000. 7 multiplied by 10,000 is equal to 70,000, plus 3 multiplied by 1000 is 3,000, plus 2 multiplied by 100 is 200, plus 1 multiplied by 10 is 10, plus 8 multiplied by 1 is 8. Now, as I told you earlier that we group them together and we group them together. So now see how will you use it. Group them together and group them together. Add this. How much it will come? It will come 73,000. If you want to see, then see here. This is 70,000 and this is 3,000. Now when we add it up, 0, 0, 0, 3 and 7. This is 73,000. So this is 73,000. This is plus, read it, do it. So this is 200 plus 10 plus 8, or if I have to write it in this way, $218. If you add it, 200, then 10, then 8. If you add it, this will come 218. So this is 218. Now, how do you read this? You'll read this. This is separately, that is 73,000, and this one separately, that is 218. So you'll read it 73,000 280. So this is overall concept, like why you group them, the thousands placed together and the hundreds, tens and ones all together, and then lakhs and 10 lakhs and so on. It's just to read the numbers like that. And we saw 4-digit number, example of 4 digits number and the 5 digits number, and this was the expansion, like this was a detailed expansion, and from the detailed expansion you can read the number or you can name the number.